Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility and power. Check that your iPhone model supports Magsafe and install the latest iOS so software handles magnetic charging correctly. Next, you remove any debris, metal cards, or thick non-Magsafe cases. This ensures magnetic alignment and safety. Then you plug a 20W or higher USB-C adapter into the Magsafe puck. Use certified gear to avoid power limits. Once done, you're ready to position the charger. Align magnets to the middle of the phone for best contact and efficiency. You now attach the Magsafe puck directly to the phone's back. A firm magnetic snap and a small chime or haptic buzz confirm alignment, which matters because off-center placement reduces current. Make sure the lock screen shows the battery ring or percentage increasing. That's the visual proof of power flow. If you're using a case, you may need a Magsafe compatible case or remove it. Foreign objects and metal wallets block magnetic coupling, so clear them away to restore full charging speed. You complete the setup by leaving the phone centered and avoiding heavy use while charging to prevent thermal throttling. The system will pause charging if the device gets too hot. If charging fails, first check cable and adapter, swap them to isolate the fault, since adapters often limit output. Once done, restart your iPhone and toggle wireless charging settings or reset network/settings if problems persist. One key troubleshooting tip. If the puck feels warm and won't charge,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.